In this video, guys, I'm going to talk about what I am excited about for 2023, where we're going, some things that we hope to do. But before I get into the video, guys, please make sure you like the video, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. I want to appreciate every one of you for looking at these videos on a consistent basis. I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate when you hit that like button. Press that like button. Could give you 50, 70, 80 more years of good luck. You never know. And I really appreciate that. I want to get this video up to about 15 likes. I really appreciate that. And we'll go from there. I'm going to tell you what I'm excited about for 2023. Hang on tight. We'll get into the video. Oh my God, the Crazy Cash Flyer, folks, is absolutely astounding. I did a video yesterday, and folks, I had 9 people request this flyer. We're on a rip to the upside. We'll invite you to come along with us. I'm going to get in this flyer, talk to you about it, and tell you where I think and hope we can go with this thing. The urgency of now, getting in front of trends, and going beyond your wildest imagination. So sit back, relax, enjoy it. Give me about 10 minutes. Let's walk around and take a look at this flyer. But before I go into the flyer, guys, look at the channel, guys. The things that we've got going on. We've got some incredible programs, folks. The matrices with the Live Good, the supplement grid. Of course, you guys know about the I Keep It All is exploding. The Live Good. All these programs are rocking, and Leverage Profit System, folks. Leverage Profit System, I'm getting ready to do a 3,000-piece mailing for the Leverage Profit System. So welcome new members to all the programs. Thank you so much for partnering with me. And I could not be more excited. Creating the income in 23, 24, 25, and the rest of your life. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Stay as long as you want to stay. Be the CEO. Be the CEO of your life, and that's incredible. So let's win big with this flyer. Let's get into this flyer, guys. Oh my God, this thing is converting like crazy. It's only $4.50 to join. When you join this flyer, guys, you're gonna get 450 cents to you. You send $100 to the admin for product fulfillment, and we'll go from there, folks. With this flyer, let me tell you the game plan for it. I'm going to tell you how to win with it. Listen very carefully. I'm going to show you how to get a sell a week. Income disclaimer. Let's throw that out there first. In this life, nothing's going to happen for you until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Folks, it just beats a 40-hour job week. Mailing a few flyers and creating $2,000, $3,000 with these flyers, guys, could happen for you. Within 2 weeks, within a week times, within 3 weeks, within a month. Could it help you and your family? How about one a week? One of these flyers, guys. You go mail this flyer and you be consistent, folks. You can have 1, 2 show up a week, if not 4. And you do it over and over again. Get them printed at best value copy. Let me say that again. Best value copy. We'll send them to you in a box. Incredible. And look at this, folks. Here is a, let me move me out of the way. Here is a mailing list I'm recommending. The young lady over there at Mountain Marketing, get some leads from her. I can attach, just ask me for those leads flyer, guys. Great, some of the best leads in the business. Y'all know I love Wilson's list also. But yeah, there's another additional lead list, leads by Mountain Marketing. You can order them online. Send them in, let them know Timothy Thomas referred you, and you'll be off to the races. If you order from this flyer, guys, they'll know I referred you. This flyer, guys, $450, you keep all the money. I'm going to go through it and show you what can happen for you when you mail this flyer. Oh my gosh. You get to keep all the money. Let that sink in. You will receive... this is that cash flyer, your name and address to collect the payments. Just consistently mail. That's all you do. You are not going to twist people's arms. You're not going to sell. You're not going to tell. You're not going to explain. The flyer will do the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. Request that flyer today, folks, and get the mail and be in front of a trend. This flyer is working. It's exploding. It's one of the newest flyers that we got. Folks, the Millionaire Mailer, we're still getting payments today. That thing been around 9 years. I'm going to start talking more about the Millionaire Mailer some. But guys, gals, mail is the name of this consistency game. There's no secret. You do it over and over again. And I could not be more excited. This is the one you've been waiting for. If you've been waiting for a flyer, guys, that has psychological triggers, number one, people look at it, they're going to say, oh my God, this thing, it's something I've never seen. And that right there is a psychological trigger. This is one that you've been waiting for. Stop making some fat cat at the top of a compensation plan rich. You get to keep all the money. There's no middleman. Imagine making $100,000 in a year. Your mailbox, $4.50 by U.S. Postal Money Orders. Folks, I am going mailing wild. I'm waiting on flyers to come to the house right now because we can win. And listen to pick up what I'm putting down, folks. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? It's not about how much we can make, how much you can make. Zig Ziglar said, help enough people in this life get what they want, and you can have everything. Everything that you want. Is that resonating with somebody? Is that inspiring somebody? Hit that like button. Imagine getting $15 or $450 of these paper flyers in the mail. When you mail 500 of the flyers, folks, this is in front of the trends. Nobody has seen it. We're in front of the trend. Reverend Wilson's fired up. And Rod has put together this flyer. It's incredible. You get access to an optional cover letter. Look how easy it is. This is what you're going to get, the product package. Could not be more excited. I want you to request a flyer today. I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow about this flyer and the advantages of it. I mean, the money comes directly to you. Folks, your name's going to go in this box down here, your information. And the people are going to send the $4.50 to you. You're going to send $100 to admin. When the admin receives their order, they're going to get, as the product, 300 hot premium names, leads on pill and stick labels. That's what they're going to get. That's what they're going to get. And they're going to get hot tips for mailing. One-on-one coaching is possible out of this program. Print and mail service, folks. They can mail 500 flyers. The company will do them on your behalf. This is an optional purchase. Folks, you can go to Staples, get you 500 envelopes. You can go to Best Value Copy, order 500 flyers, mail them out, folks. What we're seeing over 10 to 15 signups per 500 mailing. Of course, that's a disclaimer. Nothing happens until you take action. Folks, the normal price for this package is $1,500. You can grab it now for $4.50. This is incredible. Important, you will receive 100% of the product package. No pass up, no matrix, no 80-20 split. Folks, this is not MLM. All flyers are customized with your name on it. And it is exciting that it's made out to you. Folks, you mail a copy of this flyer, cash or money order, to the dealer in this box, and you can add $25 for shipping and handling. Folks, are you tired of programs that are not working? That's a psychological trigger. When people receive the flyer, this is the optional cover letter. Optional cover letter. Look at this, folks. This is the flyer, and this right here is going to be the optional cover letter that you're going to get. Look at the diversity on it. Look at the diversity. We've got young, middle-aged folks on the flyer. Younger folks. Look at this. I mean, anybody can do it from all walks of life. Any social background that you may have. With a 90-day money-back guarantee. Have you ever joined a mail order program and/or program that guarantees you 90 days money-back guarantee? Folks, this is incredible. Request a flyer today. Join today via Cash App, Zelle. Get it into the mail. We'll rush it to the owner, and we'll have you off to the races. And folks, money loves speed. If you procrastinate in the first few days, the first few weeks of this month, folks, you don't want to do that all year. What you do the first of the year is the fire that you'll have the remainder of the year. And the well-being that I'm speaking over you. This is incredible times, folks. Friends, if you're tired of wasting money on programs that don't work, are you tired of it? Well, you can change the game today. We have come up with a powerful flyer program that pays out $450 cash money order payments daily. Not weekly, not by month, but daily. It's called the Crazy Cash Flyer. The Crazy Cash Flyer, I believe that it will be an amazing system. Folks, let me tell you, you cannot wait for miracles to ring your doorbell or fall out the sky. Every now and then you have to take action. And when you take action, when you believe in faith, put it in action, folks, one sell and you're in the profit. This is exciting times ahead. Notice the owner of the program is going to provide this powerful cover letter with this testimonial. You're going to have one of our members here, Ron Williams from South Carolina, made $5,500 in one day mailing this flyer. If Rod could do it, we could get out there and do it. Look at James. James down there in Alabama made $900 in one day. Look at Rod holding up this cash. Folks, you got any questions about the program? Call this number. Call this number. Say you saw Timothy's video. If you have any more questions, call me. Call Rod. Folks, and you don't even have to have your number on the flyer. They'll call Rod. Rod's fast, too. If you don't get him on the phone, he'll call him back within 30 minutes to an hour. That is incredible. Woo! That is incredible to me. Folks, I have fresh buyer names. Buyer names. This helps me to make $4,000 to $6,000 weekly from home. A lot of people sit around and they think these numbers are not realistic. Folks, let me tell you what. Some of these folks make $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 a morning. More or less than a week. All things are possible when you believe. Folks, you're going to get 300 buyer leads on pill and stick labels. You're going to get 300 forever stamps on a roll. I am confident, Rod said. You give this flyer a 90-day whirl. Give it a try for 90 days. If you're not receive one sale, you can ask for your refund. No question asked. You have nothing to lose, folks. Read over this letter fast now. Look at what's possible. Packages filled with $450 cash money order payments. In front of the trends. Getting in front of the friends. What you want to do is request a flyer now so others won't be introducing it to you later. I am ecstatic about the programs that we're promoting. Folks, I'm about 8 programs, and I make over 5 figures every month without fail. And I'm excited about it. Now, folks, I'm at a point now that I am scaling even higher, using the profits, putting back in there. We're scaling up. And then again, go not about what I can make or what you can make. Again, how many people can we throw out a financial lifeline and show that all things are possible when you believe, have belief in yourself and in your business, it can overcome any obstacle. Or are you going to choose to continue to work on a job for 40 more years that you're not satisfied with? Now, don't get me wrong, guys. I tell people, don't go rush out and quit your job today or tomorrow. But let this working from the comfort of home, working for yourself, lining yourself with the right people, with the right mindset, thinkability, and goal setting. Surround yourself with positive affirmations, and you can pull down your dreams. You can turn your dreams into reality. I'm excited today about this flyer. Folks, if you request a flyer today, request a mailing list, and let's get you off to the races. Have a wonderful day. Oh my gosh, this thing is converting like crazy. Bye for now, until the next video.